Are you sick of your wrinkled skin, sunspots, acne scars, and melasma? Also, are you fighting to repair, heal, and hydrate your skin? Just relax. A Naturals proudly presents Roop Sundar Skin Brightening Night Cream with the extract of arbutin and kumkumadi thailam. It has a deep skin penetration formula that is non-greasy and provides essential nutrients to keep your skin healthy. The ingredients used for the Roop Sundar Skin Brightening Night Cream is a perfect blend of environmental friendly natural compounds. Its amazing anti-aging properties helps you to maintain a younger, brighter and beautiful complexion. Also fights hyperpigmentation, prevents decolorization, protects skin aging, keeps skin wrinkle-free and youthful. Clean your face thoroughly with a gentle cleanser, apply A Naturals Roop Sundar Night Cream and massage gently. Let it stay overnight, use at least 3 months to see the greater results. It is suitable for both men and women of all skin types without any side effects. To buy this product, kindly visit our website www.aenaturals.in. You can also call or WhatsApp us at the above mentioned numbers to order directly. All our products are also available on Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho and other e-commerce websites. One wonderful solution for all your skin needs. For wrinkle-free, spot-free, hydrated skin, use A Naturals Roop Sundar Skin Brightening Night Cream.